Hello everybody, welcome to my tutorial video. It's been a while since I last uploaded my last video, which was the HTML video which I uploaded 3 months ago, currently on this video. The video I'll be making today is a Java tutorial on how to make a switch case statement. Very simple and easy to do. But before I start, I just want to make it clear, I expect you to already know how to make a Java project, have a JDK installed, and have an IDE ready to go. I'm using the Eclipse IDE, but if you're using something different, it should be fine as long as that IDE can build and run Java. That means IntelliJ or other things out there. Okay, let's begin. First step to do is I'm going to make it an let's call it EX for example, and I'm going to make it 0. Next you're going to want to add a switch. Then you're going to add EX so it can call for the init and code brackets. So when it calls for it, it's going to call it 0. Next you're going to make a case, add 2 little dots, I don't know what they're called, and make sure you add a number. I'm going to call it case 0, so the case will be calling for the number 0 and EX. And whatever is indented underneath case 0 is what's going to be ran. So if I put system out print lin and do no, so world let's do case 0 so we just know which one's running. And break. The break statement does, if a case gets called, it skips out over all the other cases. So I also make a case 1. Again, system.out.println case 1. And make sure you add a break. So when I play this, it's going to play case 0. If I change the EX to 1, save it, it's going to say case 1. That was simple. But what happens if I decided to do case, make it to 2? Well, nothing's going to play. But what if? But the simple solution is add just a case 2. But what if I only want to make it where it runs case 0 and 1, and all other numbers is just an invalid input? What you could do is add default, and you should always add this to every other switch case example you add. It's good practice. It's good to get into, and it's just really helpful. So just default, you don't have to add any numbers. System.out.print and we can put in invalid input. Save it, play. It's going to say invalid input. Simple, right? I also learned this little trick. Change the out to ERR, that's error. Go put it in red letters. So it's a little touch, but it's nice. I also want to make sure I add a break. So as you can see, switch cases are very simple to make. And they're easy to do. So, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them as you can, or I will make a video on other things as well. If you want to ask about for loops, if else statements, which I will be making videos of those soon. And I will also be doing different programming language, such as Python, C#. I may also add devlogs of making game in Unity, which I really want to do. But other than that, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, and if you're really generous, make sure to also subscribe. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.